Have you ever had a dream? And what happened? Did it come true or not? I want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm launching this YouTube channel, which is something that for me is like experiencing and living a dream. What happens when we humans, we have dreams and we want to accomplish them, but at the same time, starting to put into the work of getting started with this dream becomes like a process. I imagine that if you're sitting down there and listening to this video and getting started on this journey with me, you're maybe thinking about what is involved in getting started with a YouTube video. I'm not here to talk about becoming a YouTube expert or how to grow on YouTube or what YouTube can give to you or your business, your personal brand. I'm here to share everything and anything that I learned about AI, automations, business, and actually at the end, how you can prompt your reality. And why did I get started with this? Asking you that question, if you ever had a dream. Well, I just make this cup of coffee to share some secrets, some things that I want to share with you during this, my first YouTube video. Long story short, I believe that when you have a dream, when you want to accomplish something in your life, there is always a process, a workflow involved into that. For example, in order to record this YouTube video to launch my channel, I already purchased and bring it to life, right? A studio to record. And we have the lights and we have the audio consoles and we have the microphones and we had everything set up since some weeks already and actually some month ago. But the thing is, when do you get started with whatever is involved into the process of making your dream come true? And once you start doing it, once you start living that dream, which is what I'm experiencing now, you start feeling these amazing and extremely elevated emotions where you feel gratitude, where you feel abundance, and when you feel that relief that you are getting started, that you are working towards and doing whatever you have to do in order to accomplish your dream. And I wanted to share this as my welcome video because even inside this channel, I will be talking about tutorials and AI tools and things that will help you make your life easier, grow your team, grow your business, scale. But at the end, one of the main things that are always related and how we do things, how we achieve things, and why we do whatever we are doing in our lives is our mindset, our feelings, our energy, our vibes. And I asked myself that question so many times already, like, hey Mica, when are you going to get started with your YouTube channel? And why to get started with this YouTube channel? Well, I have so many answers to my questions. But you know what? I came to this quote, which is, the right time to start is never. There is never the right day. There is not a day that you set up. There is not a time that you set up to get started with a dream. Getting started with your dream is a process that involves a lot of things, and it's pretty much different to getting started with something else like a task that you have to do on your to-do list, right? But when you rethink that quote again and you say, wait, but when you start with something, when you get started with a dream, for example, what I'm experiencing now, then once you get started, then you keep doing it forever. And that's when I find out that the word never, it actually has a lot of meaning behind of it. Look at this. If we put the N and then ever, the N will be for now and ever will be forever. So if you get started now, then this thing will last forever. It doesn't matter what happens in your life. This YouTube channel will keep on, will keep growing, will keep having to meet people like you. So at the end, never, it doesn't mean that you will never get started. It means that if you get started now, in this right moment, right here and right now, which is everything we have and we are, then this thing will last forever. And I really love sharing this because this is the way I feel. This is the way when I start a new project, I love thinking about what is the energy and the meaning behind whatever we are doing. So during this welcome video, I wanted to share my feelings and share you why I'm launching this YouTube channel. And if you already know me, if we ever met in life, like in person, in a conference, on social media, doing business or whatever it might be, networking sessions, I'm always everywhere, conference, events, summits. If we've ever met in the past, let me tell you that you are one of the reasons that I've decided to launch this YouTube channel. And if we never met in the past, like we've never had any conversations in the past, any DMs, you didn't attend any of my conference, whatever it might be, like this is the first YouTube video and the first time you see me through this camera. Hi, I am Mica Beleni. And right now I'm kind of full-time, 24/7, thinking, employing, developing, and helping business with AI. I see AI not a tool that will replace humans, and I'm going to record a video around that very soon because that's one of the main questions that I get. I believe AI is a tool, and no one is talking about this, but AI is a tool to prompt your reality. And I am using AI as a tool to prompt my reality, to make my dreams come true, to take my life, whatever business I'm in or I'm part of, taking it to the next level. So if you're new here, long story short, I'm going to tell you my story, what I think prompting your reality works, and what I think and I believe, and I'm a true believer, that AI is a tool to enhance our life, to make us be more productive, but at the same time, take our life in so many levels to a new dimension, okay? So long story short, the year 2018 was a quantum leap in my life, and you're going to hear me saying this word quantum leap so many times because I really believe in the quantums, I believe in the universe, and whatever you call faith, it might be your God, universe, whatever you think about, but think about that good energy, that faith that makes you move forward and achieve whatever you desire. So 2018, it was a quantum leap in my life because when I was kind of finishing my high school, I was born in Argentina, in Buenos Aires. I went to a German school, actually 2 schools, which was amazing for me. When I was about to finish my school, I decided to start making my own money to help at home, to help my mom, to start being an independent woman, because this is what I learned from my mom, this is what I learned from my family, and especially I love the feminine, the women in my family so much, and I value and honor them that much that I see them growing and scaling in so many levels and so many times, different eras, right? But they're always, pushing forward, and they had this, I don't know how to call it, but so much force in whatever they are doing. They are so empowered that I decided to be like them. They are just my example. And of course, I have all my masculine side as well. I love talking about energy behind the scenes, right? And how life is interrelated, connected with our family members. You will feel that as I go through my videos. I wanted to share that this was a quantum leap. And why? Because after being an entrepreneur right now for almost more than 9 years, in 2018, I was invited to be the keynote speaker at the G20 Summit. G20 Summit is where all the main prime ministers and presidents get together from right now the most important 19 countries in the world, and they make decisions on what's going on in the world, what is the next steps, what we should do, and they get involved with people who are experts, right, in different industries and different topics to learn from them and then make these decisions that at the end will kind of change the world and how the world moves for the next years. So 2018, I was invited to be a keynote speaker. It was the first time, it was my very first conference. It was in English, and it was like 1 hour and a half that I was speaking in front of hundreds. I think it was like 300, 400 business people, like from everywhere around the world, like from India, from China, from the US, from Canada, many countries. I was only 20 years old, and I was sharing what I've noticed about doing business during that time, what I became successful, even being a woman, right? Well, long story short, a lot of things happened, and I grew too much. I built communities, I built online businesses. I started to put into the works of the chatbots when chatbots were getting started, March last year, 2023. There was another quantum leap because even when AI is something that exists long time ago, right now AI was a boom. And OpenAI, which is until now what I feel one of the main leaders and the #1 company in the terms of AI, they launched and they opened their API so that everyone could, kind of link to it. API is like having, something you can plug in and then connect your systems with their systems. So that was the next quantum leap, because even when I was doing a lot of businesses, that changed everything, and that made me put into the work of the AI 24/7, and that's when everything got started to really change. And that's why, again, I believe AI is a tool to take our lives, our business, our personal growth to the next level. There is a lot that I can tell you during my story and what happened during these 9 years. There are a lot of experiences. I've been a digital nomad. I've been living in Canada, in Mexico, in Argentina, in different places, amazing places, in the mountains. Like, I have so many stories to share. But at the end, what is the most important thing is that this channel is not about me, but about you. So this is my why I decided to launch this YouTube channel. Right now, I am recognized as an AI top voice. This means I'm invited to be a speaker in different conferences. What happens after the conference? A lot of people, they keep having questions. They want to learn more about AI tools. And of course, during a conference, we normally have like 20, 30 or 1 hour, like maximum. That's like huge a lot. Not every time we get that. And I always want to take things down to earth so that it's easy for them to apply AI in their daily life. But again, I'm not able to explain all the tools. I'm not able to update them. And one day in AI is like 1 year in a war. So I have to update things every time. Each conference is different, but I don't have the same participants during each conference. I travel so much. I have conference in America, like in the USA, in Canada, in different countries, right? So the thing here is I want to keep this channel on in order to share with you any new AI tools, any new updates, all the experiences that I'm currently experiencing so much in the AI world that I want to share this with you. I want to share my knowledge. I decided to share all my know-how, how I build workflows, how AI can be trained the right way so that you get better results. This is why I'm launching this channel, because I want to keep in touch with you. And if you arrive to this channel just 100% aligned, welcome again. I hope this is a lot of value for you. I'm going to also be posting the recordings of my conferences. So if you are not part of the conference in person, don't worry, I'm going to share that content as well. So inside this channel, you will be finding video tutorials, AI tools, AI hacks, my conferences, like, a lot of value for free. Even conferences that people pay hundreds and thousands of dollars to sit down there. I'm going to share everything right here. And again, I would love to share my experience being a speaker, being in the AI world. So I have a lot of vlogs that I'm going to share with you. These vlogs are all about how is the life of what I'm doing, like what I do in my daily life, how it works, and then what experience when I'm a speaker, traveling and getting to the airport and having all these experiences, what I ate and everything. I want to share it with you because I think that sharing what we do in life and sharing with others, even the knowledge and experiences, is something that can help you in your daily life, but as well, it can motivate you, inspire you to take your next steps to achieve a new level in your life. So if you have any questions around AI, anything that you would like to see from this YouTube channel, this is the moment to leave a comment and let me know what would you like to learn. Any AI tools, if you want to see something behind the scenes, just let me know in the comments. And again, what is this channel for? Well, I believe this channel will help you break any limiting beliefs that you might have around AI tools, and how to take your life and your business to the next level. So I want you through this channel to be able to scale your business, to be able to experience personal growth, and that's why I love talking and sharing about mindset and life experiences. I wanted to get involved in this new AI era. I want you to be able to add AI to anything you are doing. So if you are interested in this, if you think that this will add value for you, I'm so grateful if you can subscribe now to my channel, and remember to turn on the notifications so that every time I post a new video, you will be one of the first persons to get to know this and, you know, be updated with the latest AI tools and get to know what to do, how to achieve new things, how to take your life and business to the next level. And again, I would love to you being part of a community. I love communities. I love sharing. One of the main purposes that I have here is sharing and helping others. So please use the comments below to ask any questions, ask for new topics, ask for new tools. I don't know, anything that you would like to learn about AI automations and how to scale the business using this new AI era technology, just let me know. Thank you for being here. I'm so grateful to getting started this journey, and thank you again for taking the time to watch this video, especially because the other ones will be 100% around you, but this one I wanted to share who I am and what I'm doing this, because I believe that sharing our purpose and what we are doing in life and why we are doing it is one of the main things. I just forgot to drink my coffee, but I will do it now. See you in the next video.